Guilty. That's the verdict against a Bolivar man accused of plotting a mass shooting at a Walmart and potentially at a movie theater. 21-year-old Blake Lammers was convicted of first-degree assault and armed criminal action. Linda Ong was at the Polk County Courthouse earlier today. She joins us now with these details.
The trial came to an end after about 40 minutes of closing arguments from both the prosecution and defense. Since it was a bench trial, there was no jury, only a judge who decided the verdict.
Beyond a reasonable doubt, this court finds the defendant Blake Lammers guilty.
It was this verdict of first-degree assault plus armed criminal action that led Lammers' family to tears.
You believe that the law is out there to help you and to help protect individuals. I went to them thinking that I could protect my son and help my son, and now look at they've destroyed Dusty Ross has destroyed my son's life.
Lammers' video interview with then Bolivar police officer Dustin Ross was a key piece of evidence. The decision came after witness testimony and evidence on Thursday and closing arguments Friday.
There's no reason to purchase two guns if you're not familiar with guns or not. You just want something to practice with.
He didn't buy any guns with intent to go in and do things.
According to Lammers' mother's testimony, she notified police in November 2012 after she discovered her son, who has a history of mental illness, had purchased guns.
I went with the intention to let them know that he had purchased a weapon, and I didn't want my son to kill himself.
The prosecution stressed the potential of Lammers to plot a mass shooting at a Walmart or possibly a local movie theater.
My plan between now and then is to continue working with his mother and his father in developing some inroads into trying to get the mental health system to understand what kind of desperate position people like Blake are in.
Prosecutor Kenneth Ashlock said the system worked, and hopefully this would eliminate a threat to the area. The sentencing is set for March 20th.
I figured the judge would do the fair thing and do the legal thing. My son did not commit a crime.
Now Lammers was denied bond and will remain at the Polk County Jail until his sentencing. Lammers' attorney Donald Cooley said he plans to file an appeal.
All right, Linda.